Under loan amount, we are given options how many months to pay. Then boom, your application is successful. Hello, John here and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to apply for Gcash loan using Gcash app. Before we start applying for Gcash loan, make sure you meet all the requirements and why it's not available for you. I posted it in a comment below, so check it out. So, assuming you are qualified to loan, without further delay, let's get started. Let's open Gcash application. Under Home window, click Borrow. Once open, tap G Loan. For first-time lender, you will see Welcome screen. Click Next to proceed. There will be an introduction on how to loan. Tap Next to exit. Now, you can see how much money you can borrow and the loan details payable, interest rate, and processing fee. Please take note that the offer may change subject to evaluation that depends on your G-score. Now, what is G-score? G-score is computed based on how active you are using Gcash product and features, or in simpler terms, it is your trust rating, computed based on various activities you do in Gcash, such as cash in, paying bills, investing, and many more. Now, let's continue. Click Get Started button to proceed. Under loan amount, we are given options how many months to pay. For minimum amount, we have 9 months to pay, and for max amount, we have 12 months to pay. The bigger the loan amount, the higher the processing fee. The interest rate is constant for 9 months or 12 months. Now, select the purpose of the loan. Let's just say special occasion. To proceed with our loan, click Get This Loan button. Here, you see the final details of the amount to be received and monthly payment for your loan. Note that the amount to be received is already deducted by one-time processing fee. So, if you want an exact amount, add a little higher of your desired loan amount. Please read the borrowing tips below. It will help you for sure. Now, if you agree with its terms, you can click Continue. Under G-Loan application, review your personal information. If there is an error, you can go to your user profile to change it. Then, click Next to review your other information. Fill up all the details. You can leave blank the ones with the optional label. You are also required to fill up the character reference. This is like a co-maker when you loan on other banks. Make sure all personal information is correct. This will be used for loan processing. Then, tap I agree on privacy policy. You can read it for your data privacy agreement. When done, click Submit button to proceed. Here is the details of your loan. To proceed, tap the checkbox I agree. You will then be redirected to Disclosure Statement page. Make sure you fully understand it. Then, do the same on loan terms and conditions. If you agree, click Continue to proceed. You will be notified how much money you will receive. Click Confirm button to proceed. Then, enter the authentication code you received from your Gcash registered mobile number. Click Submit. Then, boom! Your application is successful. Now, let's check if it's added into our funds. And here it is. It's 9,000 plus because I already have 4,000 plus money before getting a loan. Chapter 2, How to Pay Your Gcash Loan. Under Home window, click Borrow icon and tap G Loan. Here, you can see the breakdown of charges, payment schedule, transaction history, and loan documents. For breakdown of charges, you can click the question mark icon and tap Learn More to see how these were computed. Otherwise, click OK to exit. Now, to pay, click the button Pay for G-Loan. Here, you can see the amortization schedule and the breakdown for each payment. Click Pay for G-Loan to proceed. Enter the exact amount of your payment. You can see the amount below and the due date. Click Next. Click Pay to proceed. Now, you have successfully paid your first due date. In my case, I don't really need this loan. I just want to show you how to loan and how to pay it. So, I'm gonna pay up all 9 months of due date now. Take note that the interest due is diminishing. Make sure to always pay on time or before the due date to avoid penalties. Now, I will pay all my monthly due dates. I will just fast forward it and stop on the last due date. Now, these are the last 9th month payment due. If you can complete the payment, you will be notified that you have successfully completed paying for your loan. Please take note, you can reloan again, but you need to wait 4 to 7 days after successful payment. The advantage of paying your Gcash loan early is that it will boost your chances of getting a better G-score, which means that the better G-score, the more money you can borrow at better terms. So, that's it for today. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like if you think this video is helpful. See you next time. May your dreams come true. Bye.